So I wanted to show this. Part of the problem, we did all this renovation in my house, and uh, the big problem here is that I put all these smart bulbs everywhere, but I didn't. I didn't put smart switches for whatever reason. It was an oversight on my side, and I didn't put smart switches where to control the lights, where I could kind of control everything uh, physically, right? Analog, just click on something rather than use my phone. My wife hates the fact that you control these with the phone and you don't actually, I don't have any outlets or any switches where I could hit the button and do it. So when they reached out, I said, absolutely, I want to try this out. So this is actually one of the simplest or simpler methods to control your smart lights, your Philips Hue bulbs.
Yep.
These work specifically with Philips Hue. I'm sure that somebody could figure out, maybe some other lights maybe somehow could work with these. I don't know. I haven't dug too much into that, but essentially all this is, so this piece here clips onto your traditional light switch. It doesn't work with with the dimmers like the other one. What would you call the other ones? The flat ones?
Uh,
A flat
right.
switch?
A
Whatever it
rocker,
is.
or is it a?
This is with the
I
rocker,
should
yeah.
know this
This is
term.
the old one.
I
You should know
installed
this.
117 of them in my house.
There you go. See that?
There you
So this goes right on the switch. So it locks it in on the on or off position, depending on what you're, either up or down, depending on how your light switches. So you lock it in. This piece clips on to this. And now this is what you use to control your lights.
right.
So you sync this with your
Smart.
Philips Hue device. So I actually brought one down because my Philips Hues are in my bedroom, and I don't want to film this in my bedroom. So here's a light right here. So obviously I have it on blue because I want it to match the room. So it's this simple. So I turn it on, and I turn it off. That's it.
Does it?
There you go. I wanted to reset. I wanted regular light.
Okay.
So you could actually dim
So
it.
you can dim it.
Yep.
But that's
can
like
dim it.
software-based dimming. It's not taking advantage of something that's in the wall.
It is not taking advantage of
That's in the
something
plate
wall.
or whatever. That's because
Yeah.
it's just a feature of Philips Hue. Yeah.
Yeah. So it detects it, it syncs up, and it just works. It's not connected to anything. There's a battery inside this device, and you're able to dim it. I want it on regular lights so you could kind of see. So what I did, I bought one. After they sent me one, I bought one also for the other side of my bedroom. So I have two light switches in my room, and they're independent of each other. So I bought two of these so I could control both sets because I like to have the physical thing, and it works unbelievably well. It's like $40, $38 right now on Amazon. The price goes up $1 or $2 depending on when you're buying it. But if you are not looking to do any kind of electrical work, you're not looking to replace the switches, and you just want something that'll control the lights, and it took me like a minute. This is actually a really cool device, and I really liked it, and I want to give them a shout out here on the show. It's made by Lutron. It's called the Lutron Aurora, and it's dimmable too, which is the cool part of this. So you could dim it, you could turn it on and off, and you could get like a couple of these and just pop them on.